Hello, this is the demo for Homework 3 of CSCI 572. Here we have taken our Apache Solar Index constructed from Polar data that was originally crawled in Homework 1 from Acadis, AMD and ADE sites. We built a visual and interactive search interface for the data using the Data-Driven Documents framework and have visualized them using D3, Banana and FacetView. Our team members are Charit, Dharmik, Indu, Anvesha and Anne. Now we will have Charit talk about the basic installation, deployment and visualizations of D3.
Our project is structured as a Maven project, so all you have to do is use Maven to build the project. When you build the project using Maven, it will create a web archive which can be deployed in any J2EE compatible web application server. So we are using Apache Tomcat. So once the application is deployed, you can go to the UI and then it will show you our web portal which integrates the search visualization, search result visualizations. So we have a set of D3 based visualizations, 6 D3 based visualizations and FacetView and Banana based visualizations. So let's go to one visualization which is map based view, which basically visualize the search results and its associations in a map. As an example, if we search for maybe oil, it will visualize a world map and basically highlight the areas that are mentioned in the query results. And we have temporal queries. If you want to find temporal trends for keywords, as an example, if you want to find temporal trends for oil from 2010 to 2015, we can search using this and it will give you a histogram of how the trends change over time. And then also the metadata or content, the content types are important in search results visualization. So we provide the visualization to show the metadata or MIME type hierarchy of search results. As an example, it will show you the content type hierarchy for the search results provided for a given query. We also provide word clouds and word bubbles, which basically highlights the important keywords in search results, and word clusters, which basically clusters the important keywords based on the document. Based on document, etc. So that's all about D3 visualizations. Now let's look into FacetView based visualizations.
Hi, FacetView is a search visualization technique. It's different from a normal text box search visualization in the sense that it's a kind of form which allows the user some freedom in selecting what he wants and doesn't want. In our example, as you can see, we have given the user freedom in choosing the content type. He has an option of choosing between text HTML or image JPEG. In this case, he has selected both. As a result, the results shown for query, which in our case will be polar bear, appearing over here. We have 4 data fields associated with every file: the ID, the content type, the content, and the links. We have truncated the content and the links up to 1000 characters each. As mentioned in the assignment, we have combined both free text and content. As mentioned in the assignment, we have combined both free text and form-based visualization. In this case, the user is entering polar bear as a query, while also providing text content type as HTML and image. The next part will be banana, as explained by Dharmik.
Banana was pretty easy compared to the other two visualizations, mostly because of its inbuilt integration with Solar. So it was pretty easy to build and deploy Banana because based on the instructions given in the README file of the Banana GitHub repository. For Banana we have used 5 different gadgets, and the advantage of Banana was there was no code to write as such, and it was mostly about finding different functionalities of each gadget and customizing them based on the fields of our index data. So querying for oil in Banana gives us gives us 1153 search results, and we have made use of gadgets to show different types of content types available for this particular query keyword. As you can see, this particular gadget has different types of it displays different types of content types for this particular search keyword, and this terms gadget shows it compares different types of content types using a colorful graphical user interface. And another gadget shows detailed fields for the data which was indexed by Solar. As you can see, each file has version ID and unique ID number, content type, last modified date, the links of a particular page, and clicking on each entry, it gives us different more detailed view into the field types. As you can see, the content has different text with oil, histogram, and other words. And the last gadget we made to show the geospatial properties of the data. So for oil keyword, we have got 5 places which point to Alaska.